We have everything installed right here. Now let's go ahead, let's fill our rack. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the StarTech. This is their 8U 19-inch wall mount network rack. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here. Very simple and straightforward. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our instruction manual right here walking us through the included contents, 2 paragraphs for installation, and our tech specs. You can see how everything's gonna look once it's assembled. Then we have our 2 screw kits right here. These screws are gonna be used for the actual installation of our panels. You can see the 2 side panels right here, how they're gonna look. This is the side that's gonna be mounted to the wall. So you can see that they're identical to each other. And then we have our 2 additional brackets, one for the left and one for the right side. Now let's go ahead, let's get everything installed. So we got everything lined up properly. You can see the top, the sides, and we'll have this piece down here at the bottom. So make sure you have the holes lined up. So you can see on this side right here, we're just gonna slide this in and we're gonna drop 2 screws down right here to tighten. And then we have 2 screws on the side that will drop in and tighten right here. And we'll repeat that on the other side. So here's our first assembled section. So go ahead, check that out. You can see what it looks like from this side. Here it is from the other side. And then you can see it from this side. And again, the side that's resting on the table right here, that's gonna be what we're gonna mount to the wall. So keep that in mind. This is gonna be what's visible out front. And then you obviously have both of the sides right there. So now let's go ahead, let's repeat that same thing, but for the bottom section, we'll connect that final piece. Here's a look at the completed mount. Check it out. This is what it's gonna look like from the front. Don't forget, you can see the 4 areas that are gonna mount to our wall. Now we can turn it so you can see it from the side right here. Now we can look at it from the other side as well. Now that we have it fully assembled, let's go ahead, let's get it installed. All right, so check it out. You can see we have everything installed right here. I do want to point out they do not include any mounting hardware. So I went to the hardware store, picked up a couple of leg bolts. So you can see we have 1 leg bolt in each corner and a washer. Now I want you to know that this side is on a stud, and how my closet's configured, there's actually plywood surrounding everything behind the drywall. So on this side, we were not able to hit the stud with how they frame this wall. So for this one, we have the drywall, plywood, and then I have another board behind it that everything is fastened to. And it's doing a great job. Now let's go ahead, let's fill our rack. All right, here you go. You can see we got everything set up. In the future, we're gonna add a patch panel up top and do some Ethernet runs throughout the house. But currently, you can see what it looks like. We have our trip light UPS down below. This thing's very heavy and we have no issues with the mounting here. Plenty of room, so you can see we have our micro tick switch right there above it and plenty of room. We're gonna add another switch and our patch panel, and then we got our router just resting up at the top right here. And then just for fun, further below, you can see we have our connected server on a temporary table. So everything overall really nice, very happy with the quality. They give us all the hardware we need to attach all of our devices. But my biggest complaint with this particular unit is that they did not give us any mounting hardware. I really wish that they included the mounting hardware. I went out and bought some leg bolts myself, but in the future it'd be nice if they gave us a couple of different mounting options depending on where we're gonna be attaching this, and that they included that hardware in the box. That's what I want to see in the future. When in doubt too, you can't have too much room. You'll be surprised with what you'll want to add and expand in the future. So if you're uncertain about the size, I'd always recommend buying the largest size for your budget. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? and subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.